Hello and welcome to the iRead orientation. What is iRead? iRead is a program that is set up by Scholastic and is used by students in grades K through 2 at Odella. iRead should be used on a daily basis for an average of 20 minutes a day. This ensures steady introduction and practice of foundational reading skills. iRead is the new digital foundational reading program designed to close the achievement gap early and place all kindergarten through second grade children on a predictable path to reading proficiently by third grade. iRead is organized around 5 foundational principles to deliver the very best early reading instruction. Students will begin by taking the Universal Screener, a leveled, adaptive assessment that places them into the program at the appropriate level. Please make sure that your student is taking this screener independently so the program can pick up on where they need to be placed based on their specific needs. They will be guided through the direct instruction, guided practice, independent practice, adjusted instruction, and finally they will assess for mastery. To access iRead, you will first click into your class, whether that be kindergarten, first grade, or second grade. Once you're in your class, there are multiple ways that you can access iRead. One would be integrated into your daily lessons. This will allow you to check off that you did your 20 minutes each day. 2, in the course links, right by this red arrow here, it's within your course page header. And then you can see iRead down here. Or 3, by clicking on the link within your course landing page. And there again, by the red arrow, you can see the iRead link. The first thing you need to do to begin working in iRead is log in with your own username and password. Click on the blue arrow and log in using your Odella username and password. If your account is not yet set up, please let your teacher know and we will get your account added. During our school day, we do so many things to help us become strong readers. One way we learn to read is with iRead. In iRead, you will visit a special place called Beastie Hall. Look carefully at Beastie Hall. What do you see? It's made of books. That's because Beastie Hall is where we learn to become awesome readers. Let's meet the iRead teachers we will see in Beastie Hall. We have Miss A, Coach Z, Mr. Saunders, Mr. Seymour, Mrs. Wordy, and Professor Reedwell. When you begin each level of iRead, you can make a Beastie reading buddy. You get to make choices about how you want your reading buddy to look. The picture shows different body choices. Think carefully about your choices because you won't get to change them for a while. If you don't like the choice you made, you can click this blue undo button. You get 1 minute to work on your reading buddy, so be quick. The clock up in the corner shows how much time you have left. Click the done button when you finish, if you finish before the time is up. Okay, there's that blue check mark down there at the bottom. You get more chances to change body parts of your reading buddy, but the exact time and place will be a surprise. Your backpack shows your progress in iRead. It helps you see where you are, where you're going, and what you've learned about reading. You can explore your backpack each time you log in and when you finish a topic. You have a short time to explore your backpack, so check it out quickly. We want to do our best on all of our iRead work, but we want to try our hardest on these 2 activities. This is because good work here helps you move on to the next topic. So the first one is show what you know fast. Show what you know. You practice different skills like finding letters or words. And the second one is after you show what you know, you get to move on to show what you know fast, where you do the same thing, but you're timed. So it's very important that you pay close attention, look, listen, and do your best work. Just as you log in to begin working in iRead, you also need to log out when you are done working in iRead so that all of your great work is saved. Okay, right there with the X is how you log out. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to quit? And you will click the check mark. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher. Happy reading!